Well, there are no special certifications or anything like that regarding lawyers who handle truck wrecks, but like anything else, good questions to ask any lawyer you're considering hiring would be, have you handled truck wrecks before? There are very specific rules and regulations that apply to truck wrecks, and if an attorney has not handled those cases before, he or she may not be very familiar or familiar at all with them. So, like anything else, it would be good to know that the attorney has experience handling those particular types of cases.